Hello, welcome to the channel. This lens has a much too long shortest focus distance for me. Logical? Because this is a 100mm lens. The minimum focus distance is too long for close focus photography. So I had to look at a greater distance where my close focus subjects were. I got a lot in return for this effort. The lens has an excellent sharpness that is not rich in contrast. With the gorgeous background bokeh, this makes a special lens that you only believe in when you see seemingly insignificant subjects change into dream worlds. It was a pleasure to work with this lens that is simply good.